Another slime order. Let's see what this girl wants. Elsa slime, butter slime, pumpkin slime, puppy squishy, cake squishy, cloud squishy, and octopus squishy. Let me go to my dresser and see what I can find. Okay, so I need a bag. I think this would work. Yeah, this would work. Okay, so she wants Elsa slime fully full. I mean, I have the Elsa slime. It's not fully full though. But I don't think she'll notice. She won't notice. Okay, the pink butter slime. I mean, I have this purplish, grayish butter slime. It's not pink, but it works. Yellow butter slime. I don't have a yellow butter slime. So I'll just give her my best butter slime ever. My blue butter slime. It's like my best butter slime I ever made, so she better appreciate that. And then the jumbo pumpkin glitter. This is definitely jumbo. Squishies. Cloud and octopus. I mean, the octopus was supposed to be really squishy, but it's not. And the cloud is very squishy. Then she wanted my puppy one with no defects. It's definitely not defected. And the cake with no defects. Not defected at all. I'm going to put the squishies in here. And then for the extras, I'm just going to give her this emoji, famous emoji. That in there. I'm going to write no refunds and extras are free. And I'm going to write thanks to be nice. Thanks. Okay, you know what? I'm not nice. Okay. Here we go. And mail. She better like it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got my squishy and slime package. Came in this Heinz Victory bag, but that is fine. I don't think it's that bad packaging. I mean, it's closed. So I'm gonna try to find the note. Here is the note. It is crumbled up. I don't think that's very professional, but I don't think she is professional. Okay. So this is the same note I sent her, so just gonna read what she wrote on it. She wrote, no refunds, extras are free, and thanks. Kind of glad she gave me an extra. So the first thing I see, I dropped it. Oh no. So the first thing I see is my squishy bag, I think. Or this is an extra bag, I don't know. But she gave me this puppy squishy. It's very squishy, but it does have a few defects, which I did not want it to have defects, but I think this is the puppy squishy. I did not order the one she had for a long time, but it is very squishy, so I'm kind of glad. I don't think I ordered any emojis. I did not, so I think these are my extras. Thank you for the extras. These are actually very cute. Okay, so the next one I see is my cake. This one's not that squishy. It has a lot of defects on the top. There's a giant hole right there. So I'm very disappointed, but I'll contact her about this to see why it has defects in it. And then in the Ziploc bag, I have my octopus. This one's supposed to be very squishy, so just admire the squishiness. Oh, is this the extra? Because this one's supposed to be very squishy. I don't know. And then my cloud one, this one's supposed to be very squishy. Oh my gosh. That is so squishy. It has a few little details, like defects. Sorry. But it's not that bad. Okay, so next should be my slime, and I'm going to need my crumbled up paper. Okay, so this is my Elsa slime. It's not fully full like I want it to be, but it's like halfway full. So it's halfway there. I mean, it's actually very good. Not that bad slime. I'll just contact her about why it's not full, but I don't think I have to contact her about that. So the next slime I see is my pumpkin glitter, and I did order a jumbo one, so I don't know if she read it wrong, but I wrote jumbo in jumbo letters. So maybe she just read it too fast and she didn't read the jumbo. But yeah, here's pumpkin glitter. Has a few, actually has a lot of hair in it, which is very nasty, but yeah. So next should be my two butter slimes that I ordered, a yellow butter slime and a pink butter slime. Okay, so neither of these are yellow, and neither of these are pink. So I'm gonna see what this one is. Okay, so this is very nice texture. I actually like this texture. I don't even think this is a butter slime. So it's not yellow either, so, or pink. I don't know which one this is supposed to be. But okay. It's actually a very nice texture. So this one's has a kinda purple, so maybe this one is supposed to be my pink. It actually has a very nice texture like the other one. I like her butter slime textures. They're very nice. They're better than mine. Okay. This is not the one I ordered, but whatever. So guys, I'm gonna go contact her about this. I'll be right back. So guys, I just got off the phone with her, and she said that she didn't have any yellow butter slime, so she gave me the blue slime, and my pumpkin glitter is the jumbo one. That's her biggest size in that. And that, my squishies, the demolished ones, or like the defected ones, are actually the real thing. And I'm so mad right now. I spent $8 on all of this. I spent $8, not all of this. I spent $8 in the squishies and $5 for the jumbo pumpkin slime, so I'm like really mad right now, but yeah, so I'm really mad right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and do not be a scammer, or trust no one that has like the name "I'm not a scammer" by me. Like, no, don't do that. But if you hit that big red subscribe button, you'll be part of the Disney fam, or it's the best fam to be in. If you hit the like button and the bell, you'll make the happiest place even more happier. See you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!